Your home should be a safe haven for you and your loved ones. But what if your safe space is doing more harm than good? Most people go indoors to escape pollutants and dangers from outdoors, and never even consider the quality of the air indoors. According to the EPA, our generation spends about 90% of time indoors. Since 1970, homes have been built tighter to conserve energy. This same tight construction prevents proper ventilation and has been trapping indoor air pollutants suspended in the air you breathe. Scientists have discovered that our homes are more than 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Untreated air in your home can be filled with harmful pollutants like dust, pollen, mold, spores, bacteria, viruses, pet dander, volatile organic compounds or VOCs, and chemicals that put off gas from our carpets, furniture, paint, and even cleaning products. This pollution is even worse for our children who spend most of their time on the floor and lower living areas in the home. It turns out that your child's room may actually have the highest concentration of toxins in the entire house. Poor indoor air quality has been attributed to increased absences in schools and work due to respiratory infections, asthma, allergies, and adverse reactions to chemicals. The EPA has ranked indoor air pollution among the top 5 environmental dangers people are facing. So what can we do about it? Thanks to ion-producing ultraviolet rays from the sun, outdoor air is naturally purified through bipolar ionization. Ions are naturally created from the energy from crashing waves, rushing water in rivers and creeks, and from the sunlight. These ions are nature's little air scrubbers and are constantly working hard to keep the air clean by eliminating and neutralizing pollutants. Thanks to Einstein discovering this process decades ago, scientists were able to recreate this natural process by using needlepoint bipolar ionization technology. Core Air Systems utilize this patented, innovative technology to bring pure, safe mountain-quality air in any space while reducing odors, mold, dust, harmful gases and bacteria, and viruses. Very small particles, which can include viruses, can stay airborne almost indefinitely. Traditional end-of-pipe solutions utilize reactive pass-through or filtered approach. Core Air Systems technology is a superior solution because it proactively treats the air in the occupied space at the source of contamination. This technology doesn't wait for pollutants to come to it like other air purifiers. Core Air Systems are easily installed into your home's furnace, AC unit, or even ductwork and use the airstream to safely deliver positive and negative ions that seek out pollutants in the air and neutralize and destroy them. With Core Air, you don't get rid of your air filters. Ionization actually improves the effectiveness of the filters. Core Air works by producing a bioclimate rich in positive and negative oxygen ions that neutralize airborne pollutants. As they divide to reproduce, bacteria and virus cells bond with oxygen ions and are inactivated when contact is made and the surface proteins are disrupted. Airborne particles are charged by the ions, causing them to come together in clusters and be caught in the existing HVAC filters. Other common indoor pollutants include VOCs or volatile organic compounds. There are hundreds of types of VOCs that are created by common household items, such as cleaning chemicals. Exposure to elevated levels of VOCs can cause eye, nose, and throat irritation, headaches, nausea, and nerve problems. Ionization is effective at tackling VOCs as well as odors. Unlike other products, our ionization technology causes no harmful byproducts or ozone into the air. Core Air is trusted by schools, offices, restaurants, airports, hospitals, and an array of other spaces around the world. Core Air brings the feeling of fresh outside air to you, no matter where you are. You shouldn't have to think about something as simple as breathing. Protect your home with Core Air.